Boy, nothing better than a beautiful group of Armani Fabrics. And these are them. So let me show you them. They're just stunning. The first one is 100% silk. It's a beautiful print. These are all obviously Italian. But you can just see that beautiful, it's almost like an abstract floral. Just beautifully done. Great, great drape. This is 100% silk. It's a woven. Beautiful stretch, beautiful drape, beautiful weave, beautiful drape. Just a beautiful piece of fabric, 100% silk. And I put in here too, also this is an Armani. It's a texture, and it's a hot pink. Both sides are usable. This is 100% silk. That texture is just lovely, just really pretty. It does have stretch in one direction. It is a stretch silk. Actually has a stretch in both directions. It's beautiful. Great drape again. Very pretty. This Armani is got texture to it. Love this texture. Just absolutely gorgeous. I know he did a jacket out of this. This is a stretch. It's got stretch in almost two directions. The new jacket, 926, would be beautiful in this. And just so stunning and striking and very rich looking. This is beautiful. This is a viscose. Paired with it then is a silk, 100% silk. Isn't that beautiful? This is a navy and just the same exact color in there. Again, beautiful, 100% silk. This is a woven, sheer, beautiful drape. Both sides are usable. Even scarves, you guys, would be just stunning. This Armani is a viscose. You can see it's a navy with a black stripe. Again, beautiful. A shirt, a t-shirt even, has stretch in one direction. This is a viscose. Not a lot of yardage on any of this, but really beautiful. And then this last is an Armani. It's a chevron. You can see it's textured. It's raised a little bit. I hope you can see that. It's black on the back and then blue on the front. This is a viscose also. And again, this is like a Pontoroma weight. So again, beautiful for that jacket for a 926. Just a perfect pattern fabric combination. All right, so those are all Armani, a little tribute to Armani today. And the goal, of course, is to have beautiful fabrics that you'll have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.